Let's prepare a vitrectomy. The procedure is the same for 23, 25 and 27 gauge. We will show you a 27 gauge one. First, let's hand over the sterile pack by your jumper. Open the pack, slightly tilted forwards. And start grabbing the pack with the trocars, the cassette with the tubing, and the bundle with the airline, the cutter, and the light instrument. The pack can now be scrapped. We begin with the cassette. Remove the wrap. Remove the cover on the short tube. Grab the infusion line. Remove the cap on that side here. Assemble the two lines. Then prepare the cassette in the shaft. Avoid any mess with the tubings before handing over the drop chamber to your jumper. Grab the cap and your jumper will attach the drop chamber into the BSS bottle. Ensure that the valve is always aiming downside. The drop chamber should be filled approx 50%. If it filled too much, you may lose stability. If it filled too low, you may also see some instabilities. As soon as the bottle is attached, push in the cassette.